Hello guys, how's it going? We've got the gutter crew out here hooking us up. We did some woodwork. I've got some pictures of this job. This is Dakina's exterior. We replaced all that fascia that was rotted. Some of these soffits were in terrible shape. As you can see, we primed it. We got the gutters going in today. And the gutter crew, best in the West. So we prime everything. Nice 10-year warranty. We're gonna paint all the stucco. We're gonna paint this soffit area, all this stuff. A couple more weeks and we'll be all paid up and 100% finished. This is kind of like in the process video. Okay. Ow. Yep. We're kicking some butt out here. All those white patches that you see were holes from woodpeckers. We made sure there was no eggs. Made sure there was no nest inside. So I think they're endangered. I'm not 100% sure. The homeowner had to take care of them. Anyway, this is. Ooh, I just saw another repair we gotta do. No big deal. No biggie. No biggie. Nothing is too biggie for smalls. You're killing me, smalls. Beautiful. Okay, gutters here. Gutters in that section over there, all the way down. We replaced all these soffits. It's a little more prep work, you know. Stay tuned for the next one.